International Space Station, U.S. National Laboratory has more than a dozen payloads aboard Northrop Grumman's 11th resupply mission to the International Space Station. Let's take a look at some of the payloads that are associated with this mission. Multiple projects launching on this mission seek to develop in-orbit manufacturing capabilities for commercial products with important applications back on Earth. One of these projects from FOMS is aimed at examining the production of optical fibers in space. Optical fiber drawn in the microgravity environment has fewer imperfections and has shown substantial improvement in properties compared with fiber fabricated on the ground. Such high-performance optical fiber would be highly valuable in the communications industry and in high-power laser technology. Alpheos Corporation intends to examine nanoparticle behavior in microgravity. In particular, the team is investigating the manufacturing process of targeted nanoparticles that encapsulate drugs in tiny cell-like bubbles called nanosomes to treat Alzheimer's and other diseases. If successful, the manufacturing process could also be applied to other types of precision-manufactured targeted therapies. A physical science experiment from BAF seeks to evaluate airspeed and temperature created around an obstruction within a sealed environment. This investigation hopes to improve the development of technology for thermal control in microgravity and ambient environments on Earth. A variety of small satellites will launch from the NanoRacks CubeSat deployer as part of this mission. EntrySat is a nanosatellite that will deploy and re-enter Earth's atmosphere. During re-entry, EntrySat will collect data on properties such as temperature, heat flux, and pressure. EntrySat will be put into a trajectory representative of an uncontrolled atmospheric re-entry, similar to small orbital objects and space debris. Investigations involving materials and physical sciences, in-orbit manufacturing, CubeSats, and more promise to make this an exciting launch. To learn more about the investigation sponsored by the ISS National Lab, visit issnationallab.org.